All right, so summer is here and we just got this misting fan. Now this is cool because it comes in two different configurations. We got one right now, which is gonna be this regular fan, which is gonna stand up like this. And then you could also go ahead and extend it up as well. So I've got it up here on our counter so you can kind of see a better look at it rather than down on the floor. But the cool part about this is you could actually pop this off right here and now you could use it as a desk or tabletop fan. So this piece on the back, which is basically the control, you can go ahead and rotate that up like that. And then there you go, you can put it down just like that and use it as a tabletop fan. So this piece down here can kind of hold it in place and then you've got your fan up here in the front. Now this is, like I said, a misting fan. So you've got your misting piece right here. If you don't want to necessarily use this, you can easily just pop it off. All it does is kind of screws onto there just like that, and that's how it's connected. And then you're also going to have this piece right here as well. So if you just want to turn the water off for a little bit, you can go ahead and rotate this over. This is going to be the water shut off valve right here in the middle. So again, if you don't want to pull this whole piece off, you just want to stop the water for a second, you can go ahead and do that there. Or if you want to completely take it off and, you know, just bring this in the house and use it as a regular fan, you can do that as well. Now, this is going to come with a charger. Again, this is a cordless fan. It's going to come with the USB to USB, so type C. So you can use this or you can use any one that you've got available. It's also going to come with this remote as well, which you can control everything from here, or you can control it right on the panel. And it's also going to come with these little misters as well. So you can see it's got two right here, and then there's one that's already attached to it. Now let me show you the controls. Let's go ahead and turn it on right here. You're just going to hit that right there. It'll turn on. You've got 7 different fan speeds, and once it gets up to 7, this thing is pretty strong. We use this outside. It's great for when you're out there tanning or by the pool or anything like that. This thing can get really strong. Then you also have your rotation right here. So just depending on what you want, you've got a 45-degree rotation or you've got a 90-degree rotation. And of course, you could stop it exactly where you want it to be, or you can manually move it around like that and get it into the position that you want. Now it's also going to say how much battery it has left on here, which I love. A lot of these fans don't have that. You kind of just are chilling out there and then the fan completely goes off and you don't have a fan anymore and you didn't expect it. So I like that they put the actual battery percentage on there, and this will go ahead and pop up. Like if I click on something like the rotation and then I let it go, you can see that will pop back up. So you can go ahead and see that at pretty much any point. And again, like I said, you could also control everything right here with this remote as well. So if you've got the fan, you know, a little further away from you, it's nice. You can just keep this remote on you. Then you can go ahead and click it and then boom, you can turn it off and on. This fan remote will also store over here on the side. So you can see there's like a little cubby thing here for it. You just slide it in like that and then it's gonna stay there. So again, a really good design on that because I'm somebody who constantly loses things. So having this little connection right here for the remote is perfect because it's now I know I'm not gonna lose it. Over here on the back, this is where you're gonna charge it at. Again, this is USB type C, so you can just easily plug that in there. But let's go ahead now and turn the mister on. So I've got the mister connected on here. And then if you look here, this is gonna be your end that connects to the hose. I've got it connected to our hose outside. So let me go ahead and turn it on and show you the mister. All right, so now we got it connected. And like I said, all you gotta do is literally twist this and it's gonna go ahead and woo, start spraying. Okay, there we go. We almost got the camera person. Let's go ahead and turn it on. But you can see how powerful this thing is. It is strong. Watch this. Already wet, like immediately on there. So I always recommend that you kind of put this at a good distance unless you just want to be completely sprayed the whole time. Like I said, this thing is strong and you're never going to run out of water because this is coming directly from your hose line. You don't have to worry about filling anything up. And like I said, this is still a tabletop fan. So if you want to take this off and you want to put it, you know, on top of a table, you can easily just pop this piece off right here and then rotate this up. And now you got your tabletop misting fan as well. So such a cool invention. This is perfect for the summertime. I love having these misting fans, especially when I'm outside by the pool, sitting down. It gets freaking hot and just a regular fan just doesn't do the job. You know, it's spraying that air on you, but it needs that water as well just to really cool you down. Now another thing here is you're actually able to rotate this. You can rotate it with that on there, but I just kind of want to show you how flexible this actually is. So you can kind of rotate this up and down as well. Then you can go ahead and turn this off to the side too. It also slightly tilts down too. So there's like a couple of different adjustments you can see. Each one's gonna click. And then even if you want this to be really low, like if you want this on your countertop or your desk or something while you're working, I just rotate this thing upside down like this, and boom, now you've got a fan that's literally right at eye level, which is perfect for almost every scenario. I mean, I bring this thing all around with me. I'll leave it in the living room, and then when I go outside, I'll bring it outside with me. So there's so many different options that you could do with this fan. It's got so many different settings, and I love the fact that it's got the infinite mist because it's coming from your watering hose. So if you're looking for a really good misting fan for the summer, something that looks nice, something that works great and has a bunch of functionality, and something where you're never gonna run out of water, then I would definitely recommend picking this up.